Mumbai Pune Missing Link Project, the Khopoli Kusgaon Connector. Why is it important? The Mumbai Pune Expressway's 13.3 kilometers Missing Link Project, also referred to as the Khopoli Kusgaon Connector, is a significant infrastructure initiative undertaken by the Maharashtra State Road Development Corporation, MSRDC. This report aims to provide an analytical overview of the project, covering its scope, technical details, historical context, reasons for the Missing Link project, timeline, key features, project progress, current status, environmental impacts, measures to protect local wildlife, and its effects on surrounding villages. Details for this video has been gathered from various news reports of March 24, 2024, August 25, 2023 and January 19, 2021. Hi friend. Welcome back to SciTech Buzz 1 channel. We wish to sincerely thank all the new subscribers of this channel. We have observed that 97% of our viewers haven't subscribed to our channel. If you haven't as yet subscribed, kindly consider doing so, after watching this video, since it would encourage us to do more. Watch this interesting video until the end so that you will not miss out on all the details. Historical context. Before the establishment of modern transportation routes, the journey between Mumbai and Pune was arduous. The old Mumbai-Pune highway, also known as NH4, was originally a British-era track. Prior to its construction, travel through the Ghats was perilous, with the Bor Ghat being particularly challenging. In the aftermath of the Anglo-Maratha Wars, this route was established as a track and later developed into a rudimentary road in the 19th century, albeit only suitable for stagecoaches. This significantly reduced travel time to a few days. The NH4 as it is known today took its current form only after independence, remaining a congested two-lane highway up until 3 decades ago. Historically, travel between Mumbai and Pune has undergone significant transformations. In the 1930s, the introduction of the Deccan Queen train reduced travel time between the two cities to under 4 hours. Even today, the Deccan Queen remains a popular choice for daily commuters, with a current travel time of 3 hours and 10 minutes. In order to reduce travel time by road, construction of the Mumbai-Pune Expressway began in 1997 and it was inaugurated on April 1, 2002. The Mumbai-Pune Expressway currently has a 6-lane cement concrete pavement with 2.5 m wide paved shoulders on both sides, spanning a length of 94 kilometers. National Highway No. 4 from Shilfata to Dihul Road is a 4-lane bituminous pavement covering a distance of 111 kilometers. The distance between Mumbai and Pune spans 148 kilometers, with a current travel time of 2.5 to 3 hours. Reasons for the Missing Link project. The Mumbai-Pune Expressway and NH4 converge near the Kolhapur Toll Plaza and diverge near the Khandala exit. The stretch from the Adushar Tunnel to the Khandala exit is designed for 6-lane traffic, but it often handles the traffic load of a 10-lane road, 6 lanes from the Mumbai-Pune Expressway and 4 lanes from NH4. This section frequently experiences congestion due to heavy traffic and landslides. The resulting decrease in speed and increase in travel time has led to vehicles speeding up on the rest of the expressway, resulting in a rise in accidents. In 1995, M/S Rights conducted feasibility studies for the Mumbai-Pune Expressway and proposed an alternate route for the Ghat section. The Maharashtra State Road Development Corporation, MSRDC, appointed a technical advisory committee to review the detailed project report submitted by the consultant. Subsequently, based on the recommendations of the Technical Advisory Committee, the alignment of the missing link, along with the detailed project report, was approved. The current length of the Mumbai-Pune Expressway section from the Khopoli exit to the Sindhgad Institute is 19 kilometers. After the construction of this new missing link, this distance will be reduced to 13.3 kilometers. Consequently, the total length of the expressway from Mumbai to Pune will decrease by 6 kilometers, and travel time will be reduced by 25 minutes. Project overview and scope. The Missing Link project seeks to connect the towns of Khopoli and Kusgaon through an advanced 8-lane access-controlled highway. This highway is designed to bypass the Kundala Ghat region, notorious for its hairpin turns and frequent landslides. Upon completion, the missing link will reduce travel distance by 6 kilometers and travel time by approximately 25 minutes, offering commuters a safer and more direct route. 1. Geographical context. The missing link spans 13.3 kilometers, connecting Khopoli and Kusgaon. This ambitious endeavor aims to bypass the Kundala Ghat region, notorious for its hairpin turns and frequent landslides, thus improving connectivity between Mumbai and Pune. 2. Infrastructure components. The project encompasses 2 twin tunnels, with lengths of 1.67 kilometers and 8.92 kilometers respectively. Additionally, it features 2 cable-stayed bridges, with lengths of 770 meters and 645 meters, as well as several smaller bridges and culverts. 3. Technical specifications. Noteworthy technical features include Asia's widest road tunnel, measuring 23.75 meters in width, and a cable-stayed bridge designed to withstand wind speeds of up to 252 kilometers per hour. The project incorporates advanced technology from around the world to ensure safety and efficiency. Project details. Total length, 13.30 kilometers. Number of lanes, 8. Right-of-way, row 100 m. Tunnel width, 23.50 m. Estimated cost, 6,695.36 rupees crore. Project model, engineering, procurement, and construction, EPC. Status, under construction. Deadline, initially March 2024, now proposed to be September 2024. Key features. The Missing Link project boasts several noteworthy features aimed at improving connectivity and travel safety between Mumbai and Pune. Tunnels. The project includes 2 twin tunnels, with lengths of 1.67 kilometers and 8.92 kilometers respectively. Asia's widest road tunnel, with a width of 23.75 meters, will house 8 lanes and 2.5 meter wide emergency lanes on either side. Cable-stayed bridge. A 645-meter-long cable-stayed bridge is a remarkable engineering feat of the project. Featuring parallel piers standing at a height of 170 meters, with decks approximately 100 meters above the ground, this bridge is designed to withstand wind speeds of up to 252 kilometers per hour. Rigorous testing of the bridge was conducted in Denmark to ensure its structural integrity. Chronology and milestones achieved. June 2017, project approved by the Maharashtra government's cabinet. February-March 2019, contracts awarded for the project on an engineering, procurement, and construction (EPC) model, with a stipulated completion period of 36 months. Initial completion deadline set for 36 months after awarding the contracts, which was to be around March 2022. However, due to various factors, including COVID pandemic, technical complexities and unforeseen challenges, the project timeline has been extended. October 2021, first tunnel breakthrough for the right-hand side tunnel recorded. February 2022, first tunnel breakthrough for the left-hand side tunnel recorded. August 2023, approximately 75 to 80% of the project completed. Minister Dada Buse announced that 75% of the work is complete and the project will be finished by September 2024. Current status, challenges and mitigation strategies. As of August 2023, approximately 75 to 80% of the Missing Link project has been completed. The Maharashtra State Road Development Corporation, MSRDC, initially targeted to finish the project by the end of December 2023. However, Minister Dada Buse announced in August 2023 that the project is now expected to be completed by September 2024. Technical complexities. The project involves intricate engineering challenges, particularly in tunneling and bridge construction. To address these, state-of-the-art technologies and rigorous testing protocols have been implemented. Monsoon challenges. The Kundala Ghat region poses significant challenges during the monsoon season, with falling boulders and debris endangering travelers. The missing link aims to mitigate these risks by providing a safer alternative route. Economic implications. Cost. The estimated cost of the project stands at 6,695.36 rupees crore, reflecting the scale and complexity of the infrastructure undertaking. Timeframe. Delays in the project timeline may have budgetary implications, necessitating careful monitoring and resource management to minimize cost overruns. Environmental impacts. Fuel and carbon savings. Bypassing the Kundala Ghat section will save fuel and reduce carbon emissions. The project will reduce the distance by over 6 kilometers and travel time by nearly 30 minutes, leading to significant fuel savings. The Ghat section currently burns fuel due to steep ascents and traffic congestion. Carbon emission reduction. The project is estimated to save around 2.5 lakh kg of carbon emissions daily. This reduction is equivalent to having nearly 36 lakh extra trees, as each mature tree absorbs approximately 0.07 kilograms of CO2 per day. Ecological sustainability measures. Environmental assessments have been conducted to identify and mitigate potential risks. Measures include reforestation, waste management, and noise reduction techniques. Measures to protect local wildlife. Environmental Impact Assessment, EIA. Detailed studies were conducted to assess potential environmental impacts. Environmental consultants worked with the project team to develop mitigation strategies. Alternative alignment. The new alignment was planned to minimize disruption to existing ecosystems. Sensitive areas were avoided to protect local flora and fauna. Tunnel construction. Controlled blasting techniques are used during tunneling to minimize disturbance to the surrounding environment. Viaducts and bridges. Structures are designed to minimize ground disturbance and maintain natural habitats. Noise reduction. Noise barriers and buffer zones have been implemented to reduce the impact on local fauna. Reforestation and habitat restoration. Reforestation efforts are underway to compensate for any loss of vegetation. Native plant species are being reintroduced to restore habitats. Waste management. Proper disposal of construction waste is ensured to prevent pollution and habitat degradation. Impact on local communities. Improved commuting efficiency. Reduced travel time between Mumbai and Pune will benefit commuters from nearby villages. Reduced congestion. Traffic flow will improve, reducing congestion on alternate routes and benefiting local residents. Economic impact. Improved connectivity can boost economic activities in the region, benefiting local businesses, tourism, and trade. Job opportunities. The project provides employment opportunities for local laborers, engineers, and skilled workers during construction. Post-completion, efficient transportation can lead to more job prospects in nearby cities. Social and cultural impact. Enhanced connectivity fosters cultural exchange and social interactions. Villagers can access educational institutions, healthcare facilities, and recreational areas more easily. Environmental considerations. Construction activities may temporarily affect local ecosystems, but measures are in place to mitigate disruptions and protect natural habitats. Conclusion. The Mumbai-Pune Expressway's Missing Link project is a crucial infrastructure development aimed at enhancing connectivity and travel safety between Khopoli and Kusgaon. Despite facing challenges and delays, the project remains on course for completion by September 2024. Upon completion, it promises to redefine intercity travel, significantly reduce travel time, improve efficiency, and provide a safer journey for commuters traversing one of India's busiest corridors. It aims to minimize its environmental impact and ensure sustainable development. Through careful planning, implementation of mitigation measures, and consideration of local communities, the project is poised to significantly improve transportation efficiency while safeguarding the environment and benefiting surrounding villages. Continued diligence and effective project management will be vital in ensuring the successful realization of this transformative infrastructure endeavor. As of August 2023, with approximately 75% of the work completed. The project is on track to be finished by September 2024, offering a vital link between two major cities in Maharashtra. Stay tuned for further developments on these projects. Do let us know your thoughts on the subject in the comments section. My friend, if you have found any value in this video, then kindly click on like button as an encouragement to create better quality content. Please share this video amongst your family members, friends, and in your social media network so that this information might benefit others. Don't forget to subscribe to SciTech Buzz 1 channel so that you will not miss out on any of our forthcoming videos. Thank you.